Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna check out the 5 best drip irrigation kits in the market for this year. I made this based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on a price, quality, durability, and more information about these drip irrigation kits you can check out the description below. So let's get started. CIRYASR Solar Drip Irrigation System. The CIRYASR Solar Drip Irrigation System stands as a high-tech solution that allows gardeners to save time and labor once it's set up. The automatic pump and timing systems can water your plants according to a set schedule without any involvement from you. And, if there is a problem with the system, like a lack of available water, for example, then the system will automatically alert you via a mobile app. You can really take advantage of this product's solar power if you plan on using it in a remote area of your property that would be difficult to get power to. As you would expect given its features, the CIRYASR Solar Drip Irrigation System is quite expensive. I'd say that you should consider it if you really need its ability to act in an automated manner in remote settings, but look elsewhere otherwise. Maotong Drip Irrigation System Kit. The Maotong Drip Irrigation System Kit offers unparalleled flexibility and efficiency. The kit comes with 40 feet of main tubing and 200 feet distribution tubing. This allows you to set up a drip irrigation system that fits your home growing setup like a glove. And it also comes with 3 different types of sprayers. With these, you can choose whether to water your plants using a mist, vortex, or drip emitter. The flexibility that this system offers means that just about any home grower can arrange it in a way that fits what and where they're growing. The system comes with many parts, more than 130, so there's some labor and experience needed to assemble the system. Abakuku Garden Irrigation System. This excellent drip irrigation system made by Abakuku is both incredibly tough and incredibly flexible. With 16 tributaries available, you can use this one system to water up to 140 square feet at once. Gardeners who struggle with a lack of water pressure at the extremities of their drip irrigation setups can benefit from the Abakuku Garden Irrigation System's pressure-boosting design. On the flip side, you won't really want to employ this solution if your water pressure is high enough that you'd need a pressure-reducing solution. Landtouch Micro Drip Irrigation System Kit. The penultimate entry on our list of the best irrigation systems is the Landtouch Micro Drip Irrigation System Kit, which is distinctive because of its comparatively small footprint. The truth is that not everyone needs a huge drip irrigation system like the others on this list. With 50 feet of tubing included, you can water a wide, but not massive, area without having a lot of extra pieces and tubing left over. If you're planning to construct a modestly sized drip irrigation system, then this product is an excellent choice for you. Some customers have noted that the hose remains stiff for quite a while after shipping, but you can dip it in some hot water to help make it more flexible. Rainbird Drip Irrigation Repair and Expansion Kit. The Rainbird Drip Irrigation Repair and Expansion Kit can help you save a damaged irrigation system or greatly expand it. The repair kit comes with 112 parts that have universal connections, allowing you to make it work with just about any irrigation system. This is an excellent option for gardeners who already own a drip irrigation kit that they want to either repair or extend. Flaws but not deal breakers. This isn't a kit that includes everything you need to set up a fully functional drip irrigation system, but it does have a lot of utility if you already have such a setup.